Pleasant morning to you students. I welcome you all for the grade 8 online class session, grade 10 online class session as max. So hope you all watch the previous classes videos. So nowadays we were learning lesson 3, isn't that, algebra. So in past two class you may learn one words, and we learned about how to find out a GCD and LCM. Is that not? So as today, hope you can see the screen well, we were going to learn about a square root. You may all familiar to find out the square root for the ordinary numerical number, since the symbol for square root is square root, otherwise power 1 by 2. Ordinarily square means power 2, square root means power 1 by 2. You all might be learning to find out the square root for the numerical number. For example, to find out square root of 81 means simply we can say 9 nines are 81. Otherwise you will learn the factorization or finding LCM method, isn't that? This is in third table, means 2 3s are 6, 2 7 3s are, then again 3 table 9, 3 table 3. So square root means the number should be 2 times. You can write it as only 1 times, that is 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So today you are going to learn, as we come to the next step, isn't that? And from numerical, now we were learning about polynomials. So you are going to learn to find out the square root of a polynomial. There are two methods are there. First one is by factorization, and the second one is by long division method or division method. Okay, so in factorization method means the equation would be with the two variables or two numbers, or with numbers and variables and constants. Long division means you will get a big polynomial. Okay, so just as a basic, first we will learn to find out the square root by factorization. Okay, so I'll write out the question. So you are going to find out the square root for 256 into x minus a the whole power 8 into x minus b the whole power 4 into x minus c the whole power 16 into x minus d the whole power 20. So there is a constant form, there are variables, there are powers also. Okay, ma. Since the factorization would be very simple, if there is a numerical means, like ordinary way, we can find out the square root. Okay, so the ordinary way means by factorization, I said, isn't that? Sometimes the number would be familiar for you, so without doing factorization you can do. Since see here, 256, what is the square root of 256 is? Okay, it's a very simple number. The square root of 256 is 16. Okay, so since we have to find out the square root, okay, we'll go with the one by one step. So 256 into x minus a the whole power a, x minus b the whole power 4, x minus c the whole power 16 into x minus d the whole power 20. So inside the square root you have to take it outside, means the number should be common with the 2 times, isn't that? So 256 means how we can write? Yeah, 16 into 16. If you got a power term, means how to find out the square root, means divide your power term into exactly 2. Okay, exactly 2, if or exactly half part. So power 8 means the half of 8 is 4, isn't that? So how we can write this, means x minus 8 the whole power 4 into x minus a the whole power 4. Okay, a power, you might be learning this form, a power m into a power m is equal to a power m plus n. the base are same, powers are different, means you can add out the powers and write the bases only one time. Here x minus a the whole power 4 into x minus a the whole power 4. If you add out the power means you will get the same. So divide the remainings. So power 4 means exact half is 2, isn't that? So x minus b the whole power 2 into x minus b the whole power 2. Again 16 means the exact half is 8. So how we can write? X minus c the whole power 8 into x minus c the whole power 8. Then power 20, the exact middle is 10. So x minus d the whole power 10 into x minus d the whole power 10. Now write the square root. So inside the square root, if the terms are 2 times and same means without square root we can write it, isn't that? So how we can write? 2 times. So 16. Then here x minus a the whole power 4 into x minus b the whole power 2 into x minus c the whole power 8 into x minus d the whole power 2. Okay, if it is a numerical form like our ordinary method, write the square root. Power term means exact middle. For numerical, exact middle will not be the square root. Okay, if there is a equation form and power is there means just exactly write the middle of the power into 2 times. Okay, you will get the square root. Yes, now let's see one more. Okay, the problem is, and most importantly, I forget to say, if it is given in variable constant form means finally write the square root inside a modulus. The modulus symbols means nothing but the value will not change. Okay, but inside the minus you get a inside the modulus you get a minus value means. Okay, we can write it as a positive without this modulus. Sometimes because square root should always comes in positive value only. Sometimes while substituting here, since you got the minus symbol, the value, so sometimes, okay, sometimes it would be you will get a minus value also, so that while finally writing the answer, write out the answer inside the modulus value. Don't forget that. Numerical value without a modulus we can write. Anyway, you will get in positive only. But if it is in constant variable form means write the answer inside the modulus. Okay. Now let's see one more. That is 144. A power 8, B power 12, C power 16 divided by 81, F power 12, G power 4 and H power 14. Okay, so we are going to find out the square root for this. Okay, so square root means it will come inside the. So we all know the square root of 144, what it would be. So which is equal to 12 divided by 81 means first itself is what is that? 9 into square root of this value. Isn't that square root of whatever you are getting? Now I said if the power means you can write it in the exact half first time. So how the answer would be? Tell me, which is equal to 12 by 9 without the square root. So what you will get here? A power 8 means A power 4, B power 6, C power 8 divided by F power 6, G power 2 and H power. If you can cancel anything, we can cancel it also. So these two numerical value we can cancel using fourth table, isn't that so? Third table. So 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are. So finally what we will get? 4 by 3 into. Okay, isn't that bad? So hope you get some idea. So if it is a numerical form like ordinary method, if since it is in the power form means divide the power form into two equal parts and write it inside the square root, and without the square root means you can write the term as only one time. So this is just as a basic. So some little bit, two number or three numbers will be given. Now let's see one more problem. Okay, for the factorization method, let us see one more problem. I'll write out the question for you. So you are going to find out the square root of, okay, square root of 15 x square plus square root of 3 plus square root of 10 into x plus square root of 2, okay, square root of 2. So this is one term, plus the next term would be square root of 5 x square plus, okay, 2 root 5 plus 1 into x plus 2 plus one more square root of 3 x square plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 root 3 x, okay, root 3 into x plus 2 root 2. So the question may be very big, but you will get out the answer very simple. So in this question there are 1, 2 and 3 forms are there. More brackets are also there, isn't that? So that we will find out one by one. You are going to find out the square root for this question. Okay. So first let's see by one. Finally we will see the square root. So square root means you all might be needed that inside the square root the given term should be 2 times, isn't that? So let's see whether we are getting it. Okay, let's see whether we are getting it. Sorry, here the symbol would be into. The symbol would be. Okay, so let's see one by one. First just take the first. Okay, so square root of 15 x square plus square root of 3 plus square root of 10 into x plus square root of 2. So which is equal to square root of 15 means 3 into 5. Yes, x square. Okay, now this x is common for root 3 and root 10, isn't that? So multiply with plus root 3 into x plus root 10 into x plus root 2. Yes, now divide it into 2 form and let's see whether you can take any common term. So in the first 2, okay, what is common? Yeah, here on root 3 and also 1x is common. Let's take that outside. So root 3 into x. Let's see remaining what you will get. What you will get here? Root 5 into x plus. Now this root 10 we can write into square root of 5 into 2. Yes. So now let's see what is common again. Yes, plus. Yes, plus symbol. Then square root of 2 is common. Remaining square root of 5 x plus 1. So in these two again, yeah, square root of 5 x plus 1 into square root of 3 x plus square root of 2. Yes, so this is for first. Now let's take, so let it be here first. Let's take the next one. What is your next one is? Yeah, square root of 5 x square, yes, plus 2 root 5 plus 1 into x plus Let's see what you will get. So square root of 5x square. Here x is common, isn't that? So plus 2 square root of 5x plus x plus 2. Now like previous only, take the first 2 and see what is common. What is common? Yeah, square root of 5 is common, then 1 x is also common. So remaining x plus 2 plus, here you need x plus 2 only. So yeah, 1 is common, x plus 2. Now, so x plus 2 into square root of 5x plus 1. Let it be a second. Okay, now let's see one more. We get one more also, yes? So take out that also. That is square root of 3 x square plus root 2 plus 2 root 3 into x plus 2 root 2. Yes or no? So what we will get? Square root of 3x square. Let's see. Square root of 3x square plus x is common, so multiply with. That is root 2x, okay, root 2x plus 2 root 3 into x plus 2 root. Now take out the commons. What is common in the first two term? X is common. Then root 3x plus root 2. Yes, x into root 3x plus root 2 plus, in this what is common? 2 is common. So remaining root 3x plus root 2. So finally what would be we will getting? Yeah, root 3x plus root 2 into x plus 2. Let it be. So for the given equation, we find out 3 more equation as the shortest form. So that now you need the square root of a given question, which is equal to square root of. So for the first term, what is we are getting? That is square root of 5 x plus 1 into square root of 3x plus square root of 2. Then into symbol only, isn't that? So into, for the second, what is the second equation? Yeah, x plus 2 into root 5 x plus 1 into root 3x plus root 2 into x plus 2. So now let's check it whether inside the square root you get everything 2 times. Yeah, x plus 2, x plus 2. Then square root of 5x plus 1, square root of 5x plus 1. Then square root of 3x plus square root of 2, square root of 3x plus square root of 2. So without the square root we can write all the term as only one time. So what you will get? Square root of 5x plus 1 into square root of 3x plus square root of 2 into so think out and do. Everything will not be on same manner. Each one would be different. Okay. So for the first term, second model and the third model. Work out it. So this is factorization method. You factor it. You divide it and you just find out the square root. Isn't that? Now you are going to learn to find out the square root by a long division method. Okay. So as I said first, factorization and a long division. So we will see some problems on long division method, how to find out the square root. In long division means the equation will be given in, it is an equation a polynomial form it would be. Okay, so let's see some problems. We were going to find out the square root by long division method. Okay, I'll write out the question. Let the question be 64 x power 4 minus 16 x power 3 plus 17 x square minus 2x plus 1. So long division means you know what the symbol for it, isn't that? So let's write the question, that is 64x power 4 minus 16x cube plus 17x square minus 2x plus 1. So long division means like ordinary only. What you will do? You will pair up the number from the last. If finally it is only one term means our work is what? Let's see whether there is a perfect square is there or not. If not, you will go for the less perfect square, isn't that? For the given numbers, less perfect square we will go on. Now let's see whether for 64 is there any perfect square is there. Yes, what is that? Yeah, 8. And x power 4 means we will divide in exact middle form. We can. Yes. So what is that? X. So 8. So 8 8s are 64 x power 4. Change out the symbol. Cancel it. Bring the next term down. What's the next pair of term? That is minus 16 x cube plus 17 x. Our next work is, double up the quotient. What's the quotient here? 8x square. Double means multiply it by 2. So multiply it by 2 means it will change into 16. Yes. Now let's see. By multiplying what? You can change it in this form. So you need, already 16 is there. You need a minus value. So minus, here x square, here x cube. So you need a x term. So multiply it by minus x. Multiply. So minus 16 x cube. Minus into minus plus. Change out the symbol. Cancel it. So what you will get? 16x square. Bring the next pair down. That is minus 2x plus 1. Yes. Then double up the quotient again. So double it. Multiply it by 2. So what you will get? 16x square minus 2x. Yes. Now let's see. 16x square minus 2x minus 2. By multiplying what? You will get the same. If you multiply by plus 1 means multiply. So 16x square minus 2x plus 1 into 1, 1. Change out the symbol. So what is the square root of your given form is? That is 8x square minus x plus 1. Since you get the answer in equation form, you have to write it inside the modulus. In the previous question also, I forget to mention it, you have to write it inside the modulus only. Okay, only numerical form means no problem. Without the modulus we can write it. Since here you have a variable as well as constant, everything is there, sometimes you may get the answer in minus. That's why we were using the modulus form. So finally here, what's the square root of your given question using long division method? That is 8x square minus x plus 1. Isn't that, ma? So we'll see one more also. Okay. So the question is 9x power 4 plus 12x cube plus 28x square plus ax plus b. Okay. So here see, one a and b is there. By seeing this itself we can guess that what would be your question is. If this is a square root means you have to find out the value for a and b. Okay, ma. Same procedures only. Okay. We all know that finally we will get the remainder as 0. Let's see up to we were getting it or not. Anyway, here your question is If this is a perfect square means, okay, if this is a perfect square means find out the value for A and B. Same procedure. Let's move on with the same procedure. We'll see what we will come up to. Okay, so our long division symbol. So 9x power 4 plus 12x cube plus 28x square plus ax plus b. Yes? Now let's see ma. What is the first step is? Pair up the number from the last. Next, check 3 is a perfect square. Yes, what's the square is 3. If not means go for the less perfect square. Sometimes here they may be giving us a 10. 10 you will not get a perfect square means go for the less perfect square. The less perfect square is 9, that is 3 into 3, isn't that? So let's see. Now again power 4 means what? 3 3s are 9 x power 4. Then change out the symbol and bring the next pair down. What's the next pair is? 12x cube plus 28. Our next work is what? Yeah, double up the quotient. What's the double of 3 is? Double means multiply it by 2. So multiply 3 2s are 6x square. So check it. So you need 12x square. So you multiply it by so plus 2 means yes. So multiply it. So 6 2s are 12x square plus 2 2s are x cube, isn't that ma? X cube. So 2x into 2x. Okay, so 6 2s are 12x cube. Now again 2 2s are 4x. Okay, so change out the symbol, cancel it. What you will get? 28 minus 4 means 24x square. Bring the next pair down, plus ax plus b. Our next work is double up the quotient. What's the double of? So 6x square plus 4x, isn't that ma? 6x square plus 4x. Now see here 24 by multiplying what with the 6 it will change into 24. Plus 4 x square, isn't that? So no need to include any x term. So now check it. So 6 4s are 24x square plus 4 4s are 16x plus 16. So the first term you change out the symbols means it would become what? So here you need a 0. By substituting what value you will get a 0. Already here minus 16. So here 16 and here 16. So what is the value for A? Okay, since here everything got cancelled, first term becomes 0 means again we couldn't able to continue. So the next would be definitely make it as 0. So this is a perfect square when if A value is 16 and B value is also okay. Hope you get some ideas about this square root. So by long division method, how can we find out the value for square root? Hope you understand it. Just practice it. Okay, practice it well. I'll give some problems to you. You just practice it. You'll get more ideas. Okay. So in your exercise 3.8 on page number 106, you just work out problem 1, 2 and 3. Work out it, you'll get more idea. So since today you learn in square root by factorization and by long division method, isn't that ma? practice it and get more ideas. We'll catch up on the next class. Okay, thank you all.